Good morning and welcome back to our computer class. Today we are going to start our lesson number 7, that is MS Word 2007. So what you have to do, you have to open your book with this video. Okay, so that after the video you are going to read the book sincerely. This will improve your reading skills, and if you read the book you will be learning more things which are not shown in this video, and I am going to take a quiz on this lesson after all the videos shown. So open your book with me during this video. Okay, so we will start with our lesson number 7, that is 2000 MS Word 2007. Now what is the use of this MS Word? Yes, MS Word is used for typing the letters, typing the stories, typing the papers, okay, typing the your articles. Okay, when you are going to write your thoughts on a paper, so when you are going to start writing anything you want to write, you can do it in MS Word. Here you, with the typing, you can insert pictures also. You can decorate your text, and your letter or your story or your poem looks amazing. So be ready with me. I am going to tell you how to create documents in Microsoft Word 2007. Yes, Word 2007 is the name of a software, and which company developed this? That is your Microsoft. So, Microsoft Word is a word processing software, and in this book we are learning MS Office Word 2007. Okay, but might be on your computer it is your 2016, हो सकता है 2010 हो, but any version is there, the things are similar. थोड़े से डिफरेंस के साथ बाकी सब चीज़ें सिमिलर होंगी. ओके, मे बी योर कंप्यूटर इज हैविंग 2007 is your previous version, 2010 ho, 2016 ho, okay, or any other office version. So you can work like this only. This is the basic version of your MS Office Word 2007. So Microsoft Word is a word processing software. Word processing मतलब words के साथ हम काम कर सकते हैं. We can type the things, words. We use a notebook to write words and sentences, okay, but in your notebook your handwriting, maybe it is not good, or maybe not like your typed things, okay, maybe not clear, but in MS Word whenever you are going to type, okay, whatever is your handwriting, your typing will be looking beautiful. Okay, so this is the thing which they have typed there. Now in the same way, MS Word allows us to type text on the computer in the simple and effective manner. Okay. Word processor is an application software. Okay. Word processor क्या होता है? Application software means we are using it for our purpose. That helps us to type, edit and format text. Type means we are going to type. Suppose we have done some mistake and we are going to correct it. So that is known as your editing. Okay. And formatting. Suppose after typing you want to make it more attractive. You are changing the font color. You are changing anything. That is known as your formatting. Now what can we do with MS Word? सो वी कैन टाइप लेटर्स. देखो ऐसे लेटर हम टाइप कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, टाइप लेटर्स. वी कैन टाइप योर स्टोरीज. ओके, देन वी कैन क्रिएट द रिपोर्ट्स यूजिंग योर ग्राफ. ऐसा ग्राफ बना के पूरी रिपोर्ट्स तैयार कर सकते हैं हम इन द सिंपल वे. Make changes in the text while typing and after typing also. Give presentable look to the text using different colors, style and effect. Okay, we can change the colors, style, effect of your text. Add pictures in a document. Can keep the document error free. Error मतलब mistakes. Okay, while writing, आप जब लिखते हो notebook में, तो who is going to check your notebook? Yes, teacher is going to check your notebook. And what teacher is going to do there? टीचर चेक करते हुए क्या करती है? आप बताओ मुझे क्या करते हैं? जैसे सपोज टीचर के पास एक पेन है, पेन का कलर आपका सपोज आपका रेड है, एंड टीचर इज चेकिंग एनीथिंग. ओके, टीचर इज योर चेकिंग एनीथिंग, like teacher is correcting the things, like doing this right. What teacher is doing? It's correct. If teacher is correcting something and putting the circle on that, or putting the double line and writing it your SP, means your spelling mistake. So that is your teacher is correcting the document, teacher is correcting your notebook. So that is known as your error free document. Means while learning, you can learn the things properly. So that's why teacher is correcting the document. So what teacher is doing? Teacher is doing your एरर फ्री डॉक्यूमेंट. ठीक है, आपके डॉक्यूमेंट को एरर फ्री बनाते हैं, मिस्टेक्स को हटाते हैं. तो हियर ऑल्सो वी कैन कीप द डॉक्यूमेंट एरर फ्री यूजिंग योर स्पेलिंग एंड ग्रामर फीचर. ठीक है, यहाँ आपकी इंग्लिश बहुत अच्छे से इम्प्रूव हो सकती है. इफ यू आर राइटिंग द रॉन्ग स्पेलिंग्स, यहाँ देखो कंप्यूटर ने रेड लाइंस नीचे लगाई हैं. ठीक है, नीचे रेड लाइंस दिख रही है आपको. लाइब्रेरी स्पेलिंग इज रॉन्ग तो रेड लाइन है. डिसीजन स्पेलिंग इज रॉन्ग, रेड लाइन है. ठीक है, काउंसिल स्पेलिंग इज रॉन्ग तो रेड लाइन है. और जब आप उसको राइट क्लिक करते हो तो इट विल सजेस्ट यू द करेक्ट स्पेलिंग. सो दिस विल इम्प्रूव योर स्पेलिंग्स, दिस विल इम्प्रूव योर लैंग्वेज ऑल्सो. Now copy and move the text. We can copy the text. We can save the text for future use. Print a part or the whole of your document. We can print the things of your document. Now how to start MS Word? You have to click on Start button, All Programs, Microsoft Office and Microsoft Office Word 2007. This is the thing. You can directly type Microsoft Office Word 2007. Now this is the fact file Microsoft Office. इसका ये आइकन है, देखो 4 कलर का ये आइकन है. The parent software of MS Word is your MS Office. Component of MS Word 2007. Now this line, ठीक है, जहां से हम टाइपिंग कर सकते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज योर कर्सर. ओके, इसको हम बोलते हैं आई बार या कर्सर, वेयर यू आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट टाइपिंग. जहां भी हम क्लिक करते हैं माउस को, दैट कर्सर विल कम, दैट पॉइंटर विल कम, दैट आई बीम विल कम. ओके, दिस पार्ट इज योर डॉक्यूमेंट एरिया. And the name of the document, first document is your document 1. Whenever you are going to open the first document, the name is displayed here. यहाँ देखो रेड कलर से हाईलाइट हो रहा है ये. ठीक है, this is your document 1. It also displays the blinking cursor on the top left of the window, waiting for us to type the text. The open application of MS Word displays 2 windows. Larger window is called the application window. ये जो पूरी ऊपर की window है, that is your application window. And the smaller window which is inside the application window is called document window. ये जो इतना part है जहाँ हम typing करेंगे, that is known as your document window. Okay. The application window helps the user to communicate with the MS Word. अब ये जो विंडो है इसमें यहाँ पर ऑप्शंस हैं which are used to create the document in the document area. Okay, when you are going to print, only the document part will be printed. This will not be printed. Okay, these are the tools given by MS Word for creating the documents. So this is your document window. Document window is used for typing, editing and formatting. Now this part is your title bar. आप अपनी बुक में भी देखो, आपको दिखेगा. This part is your title bar. ये देखो यहाँ जो हाईलाइट हो रहा है, ये ब्लिंक हो रहा है. ठीक है, रेड और ब्लू कलर से ब्लिंक हो रहा है वीडियो में. यू कैन सी दिस पार्ट इज योर टाइटल बार. नाउ व्हाट इज डिस्प्लेड इन अ टाइटल बार? द नेम ऑफ द डॉक्यूमेंट. Okay, name of the document is displayed in title bar. The second part, quick access toolbar. Yes, this part is your quick access toolbar. ये देखो यहाँ पर जो इतना पार्ट हाईलाइट हो रहा है, that is your quick access toolbar. And what is displayed there? Some icons are there. By default, save, undo, redo appears on the quick access toolbar. We can add more commands to the quick access toolbar. यहाँ हम और commands add कर सकते हैं. Now the ribbon. See, this part, ये जो part है, अब इस part को क्या बोलते हैं? Ribbon. ठीक है, बालों में बांधने वाला ribbon नहीं. This part is your ribbon where the tools are present. The ribbon has replaced the traditional menus. पहले जो वर्ड रहता था वहां पर रिबिन की जगह मेन्यूज होते थे. ठीक है, नाउ द रिबिन इज देयर. The ribbon contains two parts, tabs and groups. Now see, the ribbon replaced the traditional menu and ribbon contains two parts, tabs and groups. Now these are the groups, like clipboard is your group, font is your group, paragraph is your group, styles is your group, home is your tab, insert is your tab, page layout is your tab, references is your tab. तो जो ऊपर ये लिखे हुए हैं, these are the tabs and these are the groups. Each tab contains related commands together arranged in different groups. Now on clicking the office button, a menu appears using which we can create a new file, open an existing file, save a file and perform other tasks. Now this part is document area. It's a large area where you can type, edit, format the text. Now the ruler. Where is that ruler? This is your ruler. Ruler मतलब जैसा scale रहता है. ठीक है, तो ruler. तो there are two rulers. One is your horizontal ruler and one is your vertical ruler. It displays the margin settings. ठीक है, ये रूलर से हम क्या देखते हैं कि आपके डॉक्यूमेंट में यहाँ कोई ऐसे लाइन नहीं रहती जैसे नोटबुक में मार्जिन रहती है. यू आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट राइटिंग आफ्टर द मार्जिन. ठीक है, लाइन रहती है ना वहाँ, उसके बाद आप लिखना शुरू करते हो. तो हियर इनविजिबल मार्जिन्स आर देयर. यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू सी बट द रूलर स्टार्ट्स अ मार्जिन. आप जहाँ से भी लिखोगे वो मार्जिन के बाद ही लिखेगा. Okay, vertical ruler measure the height. Then this part is your status bar, where you can see the number of pages. जैसे यहाँ लिखा है page 1 of 1 means your this is the first page and total number of pages are 1. Word अभी क्या लिखा हुआ 0 because we have not typed. Here when you are going to start typing the words, it will show you how many words you have typed. Okay, so when you are going to start practicing, type at least 100 words and computer will calculate how many words you have typed. जैसे ही एक word लिखोगे, space दोगे, second word लिखोगे, space दोगे, counting बढ़ती जाएगी. ठीक है, तो see कि वो ठीक से count कर रहा है या नहीं. That is your task. Open MS Word, start typing at least 100 words. The first 100 words which comes in your mind, any word. Okay, you can type anything. If you are loving the things of your food items, you can type that things. So any 100 words you have to type and see word will tell you counting or not. Okay, and one more task is there with that. Your spellings must be correct. So do start typing 100 words. Okay, after this video, not now. Scroll bar. There are vertical and horizontal scroll bar. ठीक है, two scroll bar है to move up and down on the document. Yes. Now let's know more. To create a shortcut of MS Word, drag the MS Word to the desktop. जहाँ पर है उसको drag करके desktop पर ले आओ. Word icon will be created. Shortcut will be created. MS Word is an application system. Okay, not system software, it's application software. Now what is your task? What you have to do? You have to open MS Word, start typing 100 words and see the word count in status bar. Do this. All the best for your 100 words. When you complete your task, click a photograph of your 100 words and send it on my personal number. I'll be very happy with your work. That's all for today. Bye bye.